Oh, hey fellas, this is Aditya. Welcome back to a brand new episode of Not a Podcast. And I know it's been a very long time that I have made that video, the previous one. Um, welcome to the episode 2. And आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं about relationships, gender wars, and how gender wars has affected the relationships in the first place. आई नो मेरी कुछ चीज़ें होंगी जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ दिस वुड बी वेरी मच डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दी usual topics and usual people and the political correct stuff, to be really frank, but these are all the thoughts that I have in my mind and I actually want to share it with you. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Now, before I say anything about this gender wars and all that kind of stuff, let me tell you from where I am coming from. So, when I was in college, when I was in school, and when I actually used to find a girl attractive, and I may have some scenarios where I actually wanted them to be mine. I used to approach them and I got rejected because half the time लड़कियों को लगता था that I am joking, which wasn't the case. I actually was into them. And I know ये YouTube पे बताना it's like very much shameful thing, but I think जहाँ पे तुम फेल हुए हो, अगर तुम उस चीज़ को एक्नॉलेज नहीं करते हो एंड उस चीज़ के बारे में तुम ओपनली बोलते नहीं हो, यू कांट गेट ओवर इट. ऑल्दो आई हैव गॉटन ओवर इट फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम नाउ. इट्स जस्ट कि रात जब आप अकेले बैठते हो तो आपके साथ आपकी पुरानी सेल्फ भी बैठती है एंड फिर आप दोनों एक दूसरे से बात करते हो अबाउट दैट स्टफ. आई नो अभी काफ़ी सारे लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे भाई आदित्य एड़ा हो गया हुआ है, बट नहीं. It happens most of the time. It happens. और अगर नहीं हो रहा है ना, then there is a problem with you guys. So yeah, so many times I have been rejected. I've been told that you need someone better. I even been catfished at that point. So it's coming from that side, and the observations that I've been making till now. I know I could be politically incorrect. I could be something, but this is like, again, I'm being me. I'm being raw. Let me get back to the topic. So I feel, and this is what I think that has been happened, due to this feminism movement, many of the relationships has died the moment the feminism hit and that Me Too hit. And that's very bad for our society, to be really honest. Not for our society, but in general it's very very bad because I don't think bhai sab, what we are actually promoting now is not empathy between people, but the matter that one side of society is much superior than the other side of society. We just flipped a script at this point. Let me explain myself. So, I think why I said feminism is because the way that it has evolved into being a superiority from being a thing which actually makes men and women equal, it quite bad. Like, it's actually starts to, coinciding with the story of Death Note, the anime, where Light Yagami used to get this Death Note and he starts writing names of all these criminals who were like who did bad in their stuff and did deserve the death penalty, but they didn't. तो इस बंदे ने लिखना शुरू किया है and at a certain stage of his life he felt that he was the superior, he was the law. I actually kind of think that feminism had taken that shape. I know this is a very odd thing, but not only they had come to that place, now that directly affects to the how a person would bond with another person and how relationship would work. सिंपल चीज़ मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ. इन फेमिनिज्म पीपल आर नॉट नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट कि भाई साहब हम कैसे इक्वल रह सकते हैं, दिस हैज़ जनरेटेड अ फकिंग जेंडर वॉर. एंड इन जेंडर वॉर में होता क्या है, इट्स बेसिकली मेन वर्सेस विमेन. कि भाई साहब मेन सबसे बढ़िया हैं एंड विमेन सबसे बढ़िया हैं, एंड यू नो मेन के साथ कोई चीज़ बुरी होती है तो विमेन को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. वी हैव सीन दीज थिंग्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड अदर थिंग्स इफ यू रिमेंबर करेक्टली. और अगर विमेन के साथ कुछ बुरा होता है तो मेन तो भाई साहब कुछ मेन हैं जिनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, कुछ मेन हैं जो इसके साथ सिंपैथाइज करते हैं. बट भाई यही चीज़ है जेंडर वॉर्स. दिस इज व्हाट जेंडर वॉर्स लुक्स लाइक. भाई साहब आप ये डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि दोनों में से कौन सी जेंडर सुपीरियर हैं, बट द एक्चुअल थिंग इज तुम दोनों इक्वल हो यार. तुम दोनों इक्वली ऑसम हो भाई. तुम दोनों इक्वली ऑसम हो भाई. मेन कुछ चीजें कर सकते हैं जो विमेन बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकती हैं, एंड देन देयर आर थिंग्स लाइक अ विमेन which can do which a men can't do. तुम दोनों लड़ पता किस बात पे रहे हो. It's similar to what you know Android and iOS users are doing. दोनों तो हैं ही प्लेटफॉर्म भाई मेरे. एंड देन यू नो यू एक्चुअली हियर अबाउट थिंग्स दैट आर गोइंग बैड विद द विमेन एंड बैड विद द मेन. यू नो क्राइम्स विमेन के साथ भी हो रहे हैं, क्राइम्स मेन के साथ भी हो रहे हैं. दैट डजंट टेल यू कि भाई साहब कौन सा जेंडर बेकार है, कौन सा जेंडर गुड है. That actually tells you about that individual. I don't know why, but जैसे जैसे you know this feminism and all those woke kind of stuff has started to begin, common sense शायद से मर सी गई है. If you ask me about how we can actually solve this, this is going to be something that I can only give you in theory. Practical hona na hona, I think it would take more time. You know, now that the people have actually started, you know, coming back to their senses and they're seeing the consequences. Everything you do has a consequence. You need to understand that. अगर तुम भाई जितने ज़्यादा तुम गुस्सा होगे, तुम इतने impulsive decisions लोगे, and जितने impulsive तुम decisions लोगे, उतने बुरे तुम्हारे साथ consequences होंगे. It is a truth. अगर तुम्हें भाई साहब इस बारे में भी लड़ना है, I can't say anything to you guys. But what I feel is, you know, you should question only those stuff that are questionable. If you're going to question those stuff which are not questionable and which are predefined by the customs and all that kind of things, I don't think bhai you would be able to, you know, get what you are trying to get. So अगर कोई तुम्हें बोल रहा है कि your job is to, you know, bear children, maybe it's by nature. It's a bad thing. Maybe that ability to bring child to the society is by nature. There is no explanation for that. You know, if men would do it, they would have done it. Dude, this is as simple as it gets. If, look, a man can give you, you know, home, shelter, they can provide you with endless things that you ask for. But a woman, what women can give to a man, it's something that you need to know. You know, we mostly need affection, we mostly need support, we usually need some things because by society हम पे बहुत भारी है. And I'm not, you know, crying about कि भाई साहब मेरे को कभी, you know, वो चीज़ नहीं मिली. I'm just talking general stuff. You know, there are many men who are suffering from support, who are being judged without any problem, like without any consequences. And to be really frank, अगर तुम मुझसे पूछो ना, I need support, I need affection, I need everything. Being a man, I need affection, I need that hugs that some people get, right? I need someone to hear things about me. I don't want to bottle up my emotions inside me, you know. As Samir Raina says कि हम लड़के हैं, हमें भाई साहब इमोशंस दबाने की आदत है. आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट डूड. मैं शुरू से बड़ा वोकल रहा हूँ अपने इमोशंस को लेके. आई हैव क्राइड अ लॉट, आई हैव, यू नो, हैव बीन हैप्पी अ लॉट. मेरे को कोई इमोशन फील होता है, मैं दिखाता हूँ कि आई एम फीलिंग दैट इमोशन. Dude, we are not bad. We are not bad. The only thing is society has make us look bad. And अगर तुम एक also if you are generalizing a gender on the basis of what the things they have done in the past, I think you are going very wrong and the long path. I think you should actually consider कि भाई साहब वो एक इंडिविजुअल था जिसने वो हरकत करी थी rather than looking for the gender. अब क्योंकि अब मैं तुम्हें अपना ही फेस बताता हूँ. सिंस सिया गोयल ने भाई साहब अपने फियोन्से को धक्का मार के गिराया है नीचे, आई एम नॉट गोना थिंक अबाउट कि भाई साहब ये हर लड़की यही करेगी. ऑल्दो आई हैव अ फियर व्हाट इफ वाले सिनेरियो, बट दैट्स मी ओवर थिंकिंग. द रियलिटी इज हर लड़कियां वैसी नहीं हैं. कुछ लड़कियां हैं जो वो चीज़ कभी भी नहीं करेंगी. आई हैव एक्सपेक्टेड दैट थिंग. ऑल राइट, द ओनली थिंग इज you have to change yourself in order to make a world a best place, you know. You have told men n number of times. तुमने हमें no means no बोला, हमने सुना. तुमने बोला कि you don't want us to approach, we listened. Now you are seeing the consequences. Nobody is approaching you. You're not able to meet men. Now some of you are actually celebrating about this कि भाई साहब बहुत अच्छा है, हमारे दिमाग से टेंशन ही खत्म हुई है. But you fail to understand that you have failed life at this point. अब मैं ये चीज़ सिर्फ लड़कियों को नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, एंड डोंट इवन थिंक मैं तुम लोगों को लेक्चर दे रहा हूँ. मैं लड़कों को भी एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा भाई, प्लीज़ मेक देम फील सेफ. डोंट बी इनटू दिस वैलिडेशन थिंग कि भाई मेरे को वैलिडेट करना है, बिकॉज ऑफ सम बैड थिंग्स हैपन इन देयर लाइफ्स and some bad people and bad apples in the society. Now we have to be more into this I can be your hero and be an actual hero, rather than just pretending that you're being hero. And by that saying that, I also want to promote, stop cheating on everybody, stop looking everybody for fun, and stop looking stop looking everyone as a recreational use case. I'm talking about hookups. Stop hooking up. Stop being these kind of things. भाई मेरे को रिलेशनशिप में ना ऑनेस्टली बता रहा हूँ, I need a relationship where people actually are serious about themselves and they are not dating for time pass. And honestly speaking, we are at that point only. If you can't commit, don't be in a relationship. If you can commit, you should be in relationship. I mean, not should be, it's your choice in the end of the day. But bhai, agar tum commit kar sakte ho, then you should be in the relationship, dude. And that's the whole thing. That's the whole game. It's all the game about trust. It's a game of commitment. अगर तुम ये दोनों चीज़ें नहीं कर सकते, then I am sorry, you are not ready for relationship. And there's nothing as situationships, there are nothing as anything. I know मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा old sound कर रहा हूँ at this point. I am 27, dude, for Christ's sake. I've seen things happening and how things has been unfold. If you can't trust your partner, and I'm not talking to guys, I'm talking about girls as well. If you can't trust your partner, maybe you shouldn't be in a relationship. That's all. Anyways, this is going to be it for today's video. I know video थोड़ी सी छोटी है, थोड़ा सा ranty type sound कर रहा है, but it is how it is. बाकी अगर तुम लोगों को ऐसे ही थोड़े कंटेंट अपने मतलब फीड में लाना है, तो यू शुड सब्सक्राइब टू मी, लाइक कर दो वीडियो, शेयर कर दो, ऑल द यूजुअल स्टफ. कमेंट करके बताओ व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट दिस स्टफ. अगर तुम्हें मुझे गरियाना है तुम करा भी सकते हो कमेंट्स में आके. आई एम नॉट गोना बी सेइंग एनीथिंग टू यू. विद दैट सेड, I hope you have a very great time ahead. This is me, Aditya Gupta, and I'm signing out.